In this video, you'll be learning how to turn on autoplay videos on Facebook. If your video on Facebook is not on autoplay, this video will guide you on how to switch on autoplay videos on Facebook. Before we go straight into it, my interest you to subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload our regular videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Now let's hop straight into the video. Head straight into your Facebook app and click on your profile image on the top right hand corner. Navigate to the setting and privacy menu. You click on it, expand on setting and privacy, and here is the sub menu. Then you scroll down and find where it says settings. You expand that. On this interface, you find where it says media. Click on media, and here is the interface. I already have it on my Facebook because my videos play on auto. So this is what you need to do. It says autoplay, as you can see, autoplay. So you have the options. You have three options. The first option is autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Okay, this is if you want your autoplay to be if you're using your mobile data or when you're using your Wi-Fi. So I have that ticked. If you want it to be only on Wi-Fi only, you can as well tick that. Or you don't want it to play at all. You don't want the autoplay at all. So maybe you want to change the autoplay back to your videos back to don't autoplay. So you just click here. Or maybe probably this is even thick since you can't even your videos are not on autoplay. So you want to make sure it's between. Alright. You want to make sure you click on only Wi-Fi or on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So that is it. And as soon as you do that, you can go back and you can confirm that on your Facebook page. So thank you. This is the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, this is the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you all in other videos. Bye for now.